So our first innovation for April is around video analytics. For customers who have engaged with Cloudinary already, this is often a very popularly requested feature. It's all about helping our customers to get valuable insights around engagement with their video content. And this is important because many of our customers want to understand who's viewing their videos, where do they come from, which devices do they watch these videos from, so they can better plan and optimize the content as well as the overall performance of these videos.
One of the things that I've noticed many customers really caring about is the ability to report information out of Cloudinary into various spreadsheets, business intelligence software, and being able to get even further, deeper analytics on, of course, video formats, which is incredibly important. This is one thing that's going to even provide richer, more deeper data than what they've been able to provide before. So this is a major improvement, in my opinion, for being able to show the successes around video delivery and optimization and management.
Yeah, absolutely. And we're just getting started with this capability. What we're offering initially is a native report within Cloudinary to get these engagement analytics. But very soon, we're also going to introduce ways for organizations to extract these insights and be able to visualize them in their own sort of business intelligence tools. So we'll provide APIs that can help export this analytics data. And a couple more things we're planning to do as well. Right now, the analytics report works with any videos that are powered using the Cloudinary player. So this is our HTML5 video player widget. Many customers like to use this already for their videos because it offers a lot of the built-in optimization capabilities, responsiveness, and even the ability to customize the player controls and the look and feel of the video experience. But we recognize that brands also use other video players for various reasons. And so we will soon expand this capability for videos that may be powered by other video players. And lastly, we also plan to very soon add ability to get quality of experience metrics. So this is the QoE, if you're wondering what that is. It is quality of experience metrics such as understanding how quickly the video loaded, were there any buffers and things like that can help technical team optimize the performance of their video.
Incredible. And it's nice to see the solution that's coming out today and also where we're moving forward with this analytics effort. So this is wonderful insight at DTF. So Paul, show us how this works. Can you give us a detail of how everything looks in the overall system?
Sure. So I have this open on my screen. To get here, you would click on reports, and it's listed under here with a beta tag on it because, as Aditya mentioned, we've just launched this. Like Aditya had said, this is kind of currently based on our player. So all of the metrics are sort of geared around that, right? So we have player loads, and for the record, what I'm showing here is actually our documentation site. Some of the information on the videos that we show there. So we're getting a look at how we're actually, how our users are actually interacting with our current documentation site. So in the past 6 months, we've had 60,000 player loads, and we've had 9,672 plays and 4,869 unique plays. So it's been, this is sort of that level of granularity that we have now. And we can see that broken out as we scroll down into the various top videos that we have. Interestingly, this is actually the video that we use for our player. But we also have some other top videos that we're showing on our documentation site, the number of player loads and the number of plays. So we're getting that level of engagement and the sort of the effectiveness of the videos that we have. By looking at like that player loads divided by plays, for example. And And then as we scroll down, we actually have some insight into how people are accessing our videos, what devices they're using, what operating systems they're using, and the top browsers that they're using. And we even have a look at the top countries where they're coming from. So we have the sort of baseline analytics that people are looking for in terms of what's popular, what's being used, what's the most effective content. We can break that out by various time periods, as you can see here. But right now, this is what you got. And eventually this is going to be increased. What we're going to have here is that QoA stuff that Aditya had mentioned, the quality of experience. And we're going to start to look at plays outside of our player, things like the widgets, et cetera. So this is only going to get more and more useful as time goes on.
Well, it's fascinating to me, some of the breakdown of the different types of devices and where people are loading this, because I saw things like smart TVs and wearables popping up. And normally when we have conversations, we're always talking about desktop, mobile, and tablet. And it's cool to be able to start thinking like video is ubiquitous. People are using it in many different ways. So it is to say that obviously Cloudinary's video player can appear on many different platforms, and that doesn't have to be tied to just one of the three that commonly is seen for web delivery and web development either.
Exactly. Yeah. And it gives you that really, even though this is in beta, you're getting some really good insights already.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. So Aditya, we can see here that this is a beta product, and we've already alluded to the fact that it's going to be continuing to be improved upon, iterated upon, and all of that. It looks like to me, if I understand this correctly, for people to experience this, they would just simply need to have a programmable media account with Cloudinary. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. It's available in a beta version for anyone that has even a free account for programmable media.
Well, I hope people will use that as a nice call to action, because that's a great way for anybody to go and test this out, try our video solutions, try the player, and then see all the great analytics that can start coming through because of this effort. So Aditya and Paul, this is a great overview of this new feature, and let's see what people think of this.